how to add a custom widget on iPhone. So all you really need to do to put a widget on your phone is click and hold and wait until you get this option here where you see all the minuses on your app. You want to go to the edit at the top left hand corner and just choose add widget. So this is going to be a lot of widget templates and things like that. So it can make a widget out of any app that's on your phone. So what we can do is just go down and I will choose one here. And then it's going to give you a number of templates that you can use. And don't worry, you'll be able to use your third-party apps, any app that you have on your phone. So after you've chosen what you want, so I'm just going to choose this one. Actually, no, I'll choose this one here. And you just want to click Add Widget. And then there it is. Now in this mode, you can still click and drag this any certain formation that you want. If you want it at the bottom of your phone, in certain apps, it's really easy to do. And once you've made your final decision, you can go ahead and hit done at the top right hand corner, and that's it. From that point, you can open up your app just with a click of the button rather than going to find the app on your phone, and that's it. That's how you would go about adding a custom